What's everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pup. We always bring you the good stuff. All right, today we're making a strawberry pineapple mango daiquiri. All right, the fruit here was purchased from BJ's. All right, and we're gonna be using regular household ice, and I already pre-measured 8 ounces of vodka. Okay, you can put any kind of spirit you want to put in. That's your choice. And we probably might be using the fruit punch, but we will see. And maybe some orange juice. All right, so let me get the ice and we'll move on to the next step. All right, what I did, I put about 2 cups of crushed ice into the blender. I forgot to mention, you need a blender. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this fruit. I'm not chopping it up, but any big pieces, I am going to break it up. I'm probably going to use the whole bag. All right. Then I'm going to top it off with some juice. All right. It's going to get real loud in here, so I'm already starting to talk loud already. But it's going to get real loud. Power on. Here we go. Here we go. All right, now I gotta take it and gonna push down. And I'm gonna need some more juice to it too, to get all this fruit crushed up here. Okay, my dogs don't like the noise, so I put it on crush. Now I'm gonna put it on blend. Same time, I'm going to add some juice to it. Putting my way in there. All right. So I'm going to get it pushed down. She's looking good now. She's looking good. But I'm definitely going to add more juice in right now. I'm actually going to add some orange juice. Let me give it a little shake. All right. Get it back on. Looking really good. Okay, what I want to do now, I want to add a little bit of the rest of the fruit that's left, which is not much. That's all that's left out of this bag here. All right. So you have to, with the liquid and the fruit, you have to adjust it. All right, so let me push this down and blend this up, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, now I'm gonna give it a little taste, see how she's going here, tasting here. And that is good. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the 8 ounces of vodka to the mix. Now I'm just going to let it blend up. And after this is finished blending, we'll move on to the next step. All right. The strawberry, mango, pineapple daiquiri is done. All right, so what I got here, all right, turn the power off, release the suction, unplug. Right. And here's the first pour. The first pour. And just doesn't that look good? And she looks beautiful. There we go. And then to top it off, we got an umbrella. And what we're going to do, best way to drink is with a metal straw. It stays cold. And this is the strawberry pineapple mango daiquiri. All right, that's what my camera wife named it, so that's what it is. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.